Hello guys, today I'm gonna share my interview experience with Wiley Edge. Wiley Edge is a very good company to work with, and Wiley Edge is a company that acts as a bridge between a college going student and a working professional in an organization. So first of all, let me tell you the interview process or how I got the interview mail or examination mail. So first of all, I have applied on the Wiley Edge careers, and after applying on the Wiley Edge careers, I just got a mail that you are invited to give the exam for Wiley Edge, and I have given the exam. While giving the exam or assessment, there were two sections. The first section consists of plenty of MCQs, and which are related to quantitative aptitude and DS and Algo programming basics and many more. So in numbers there were 56 MCQs and two programming question, coding question, which are in the section 2. So in that section I have to do only a single question because I am a Java developer, and they have already said that you can do a single question also, and you can do both of the questions. So I have done the 56 MCQs and a single coding question, and I got a mail for the interview. And if I talk about the difficulty level of the assessment, then it's quite easy. Maybe it could be medium for you, but it's easy for me. And if we talk about the coding question, then if you are able to solve a problem statement, then it will be very easy for you to decode that problem and code that problem easily. So it was a great experience that I got. And if I talk about the interview experience, then they have made me that you can choose your own slot that whenever you are free or whenever you are ready. So I like this most because they are giving you preference to choose your own time for the interview. Then my interview got started, and in that interview, first of all, he asked me to introduce myself. I introduced me, and then he asked a coding question from me, which is a medium level question of lead code. That question is something to find the frequency of every letter in a string, and without repetition print the frequency of a letter of that string on the console. So I have done it within 2 minutes, and he was quite impressed from me. So that as I have applied the brute force, so he asked me to do any other approach. So I have used map in it, and showed him in within 5 minutes. So he was very impressed from me because I have given two approaches to him. So now the second question arrived, and in this question he asked me to find the middle element of the linked list, but he was unable to explain me the question well. So what I have done is I have just taken the size of the linked list, and I have done half of the size and get that middle element. But he told me that you have to implement the algorithm. So I have implemented two pointer algorithm, which is quite easy to implement, and he was quite impressed from me because I have done whatever he want. Then he asked several managerial questions from me, that what you are doing for living, and what if you are selected in Wiley Edge and all these things. So later on he just said that it was a great experience, and I said same here. And after that, after 1 week of that interview, I got a mail that you are selected in Wiley Edge. And then after getting the selection mail, I got another mail which is saying that your application was rejected because we want 2022 pass outs and you are 2023 pass outs. So that's why it was a regret for us and you also. So I said okay, it was okay. So it was a great experience to be interviewed with Wiley Edge, and I hope you will get some help from this video, and I wish you all the best for your interviews and all. So thank you for this, and if you find it helpful, then just like it.